Hi everyone, it's Marcy here from Stampin' with Marcy. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Southwestern Ontario, Canada, and I'd like to thank you for pressing play on today's video. Today I'm going to be creating a very quick but pretty card using the Spotlight on Nature. This is a fabulous new bundle that can be found in the new annual catalog. And look at these amazing nested circle dies. They are incredible. Okay, as well, I've paired in the leaf here, the skeleton leaf from the Friends for Life dies. Okay, so let's move that to the side. This is the pretty card that we're going to be creating. My paper is from the Country Woods Designer Series paper. I'm just going to zoom you in a little bit so that you can see, and let's get started here. So I have all my bits are cut. I forgot, I need to show you the inside. I've just gone ahead and put that pretty butterfly on the inside, and I don't think, oh, there you go. I've added clear Wink of Stella because it makes everything better. I'm using linen thread and the iridescent pearl basic jewels. So let's get started here. I've got an extra piece there. So here we have our insert piece, and I am using the Tuxedo Black Memento ink pad, and I'm going to stamp my butterfly on the bottom corner, set that aside, and then right in the center of my circle. There we go. And for those of you that are new to my channel, this is a craft uninked stamp pad. It comes, the craft white, it comes with the ink refill. I did not use the ink refill. I purchased this, set the white ink refill aside, and purchased the Tuxedo Black, the Memento, and I put it in here. So that way this gives me a bigger stamping surface for that ink pad. Oh, don't close that. I need my thanks. I'm getting ahead of myself here. So then we've got our front piece, and I always like to have lots of thank you cards on hand. So this is going to go right there. Now we can set this aside. And we're going to start gluing while we let our ink dry. I don't want to be coloring with my blends while my ink is still, whoops, that's the insert. No, that's the front. This is the front. All of the measurements, as well as a complete list of products that I have used, can be found on my coordinating blog post. The link for the website is in the description box below. So this is 3 inches by 4. So this is 3 1/8 by 4 1/8. But like I said, all of the measurements will be found over on my coordinating blog post so that you can easily recreate this with any product you might have. Okay, so then, oh, I might have stamped that a little high. I stamped that too high. Well, we're going to make it work. We're going to scooch you up and my base here. I always like to use thick basic white. Okay. So we are coming into the long weekend here in Canada. It is Victoria Day weekend. Whoops, this is a little crooked. Let's give you a little tug. There we go. So what I love about my liquid glue, I can easily adjust as I need. Okay, I used the adhesive sheets on the back of my skeleton leaf. That's what I'm calling it. I'm not sure what else you would call that. To make it so much easier to stick down. So you just have to find, and I used bits and pieces, so you just have to use something sharp to pick up the corners to peel that off. And it turns your cardstock into a sticker. So I don't have to fuss with any liquid glue on this. I just have to fuss with peeling this off, which is no problem. Much easier when it's all one sheet, but I was trying to be conservative and use up all my little bits that I had. Okay, and I can see it's just a slight yellowy color on the back here to tell me that that is where that adhesive sheet is. Okay, and now just right here at the bottom. Okay, is that all of it? Yes. So this is the card that we made at my team meeting that we just had on Monday night. This was the make and take. And there. So just like that, it is stuck. Now I'm going to grab a mini glue dot and peel that off. I am going to take and roll it up so that I can place that right here at the base. Oh, I've got one on my finger. Place that on the base of this stem. And take some linen thread and create a nice bow. To attach, and I chose linen thread to keep with the theme kind of flowing, I guess you would say, with my paper, with the DSP. So snip those tails and stick you right over that glue dot. Okay, we have given this a little bit of time, so let's bring in our blends. I am using Light Misty Moonlight. What did I do with my pool party? I've only got the one. did the cat, son's cat has been in here playing with things. There it is. She knocked it down. She likes to come in here, Miss Sylvie, and bat things around. If you've got a cat, you know what I mean. So light misty moonlight, and I am just going to go on a few of those lines here to add that darker color. I wanted to keep that color going from the designer series paper. So we've got Pool Party, and this is Misty Moonlight right there. So that's why I chose those colors. Then I'm going to come in with my light Pool Party and go over the whole thing. I'm doing the insert first. So I will not be live on Monday morning, Monday, May the 20th, as it is a holiday. It is Victoria Day, so I will not be live. We are going to be celebrating my mother-in-law's 85th birthday, sorry. She turns 85 on Tuesday. So we are having a family barbecue on the Monday. So I'm coming over here and there with my dark just to add a bit more color interest so that we've got the light and the dark blending. I think that looks really pretty. So let's do the exact same thing on our butterfly that is going to be on the front of our card. The colors of the designer series papers in this new annual catalog from Stampin' Up, I am loving them. I am loving so many products. The designer series papers are all so gorgeous. If you live in Canada and you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator that you currently work with, I would love the opportunity to earn your business. That being said, also, there is an incredible starter kit promotion that is going on all month long till May 31st. You pay $135. You choose $165 worth of products, and you automatically are going to get in color products. You're going to get the 5 new in color stamp pads. So that is Petunia Pop, Pretty in Pink, Shy Shamrock, Summer Splash, yes, oh, Peach Pie. So you're going to get all 5 of those ink pads. You're going to get a package of the designer series paper, a mixed package of the cardstock. So you're going to get a little bit of each. You're going to get a couple sheets of each of the different colors in that cardstock pack, plus the 5 Stampin' Right markers in this year's in colors. It's $111.75 value that you're going to get for free. There's never any shipping on the starter kit, and there is in Ontario and a few other provinces, there's no tax either. You can live anywhere in Canada, be part of my team. There's no expectations. You can get those products and walk away. You don't have to do anything. You can stick around for a little while and be a happy discount shopper. Okay, so this is going to go here. So I'm going to stick one here so that I know that right there I've got one already down, there, and there. And I can go one there. So I've got lots of support here. So if you'd like any more information about the Stampin' Up! Opportunity, please reach out. I would love to have a chat with you. All right, so now we are going to angle like so. Now we're going to add my favorite gems, the iridescent pearl basic jewels. I'm having a bit of a lapse there. I believe they're iridescent pearl basic jewels. I love these, and add them to many projects. They're just so pretty. This time I'm using the bit bigger ones than this card here. It's all the tinies. This one I've got 2 big and 1 tiny. And then the last thing we're going to do, let's zoom you in even closer, is the Wink of Stella. We're just going to come in and I'm going to go around the outside, and the camera is not going to pick it up. Trust me, it is gorgeous. And I'm just kind of going to go here and there and do a light line. And let's just add a bit to the body. And there is that front. Can you see that? Oh, it's just so pretty. Now let's do the inside, because we want it as lovely as the outside. A little goes a long way. And then do around. So this card, I'm going to be ready for whatever I need a thank you card for. I'll have 2 on hand. So there we have it. Each time you cut up this paper, you're going to get a little bit different pattern. It's just so lovely. I really enjoy using it. Now, if you're shopping in my online store, let's go back out. Please use this month's host code. If your order is under $200, don't use the code. If your order is $200 or greater, that's before tax and shipping. And you're going to earn your own rewards, and I want you to get the rewards that you have earned. Okay, that's all for me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's project. I hope I've inspired you, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.